clean up. A small bathroom. It's a small one. Small bathroom. You don't have to take a card in anymore for the plates. You have a little shelf right here. Closets. It's just one big closet. You've got a hanging closet, and then you've got the shelves. You've got your safe there. Safe is pretty easy to use. You do your number, and then this, and that sets it. We have, me and my daughter, so we have split beds. That would obviously be together. If you wanted to, you just tell them ahead, and they'll do it. There's a little more storage there. Both of those lights are independently controlled. You'll see there's absolutely no plugs at all. You do need to get something like that we always bring with us. It is called Tessin. This is the one that we use. It works great. It's got a long cord and it gets through security. Other than that, you've got a nice little arc right here. For some reason, there it is. So it's kind of nice. The thing to this room is that different than other rooms we've had in different ships. As you see, it cuts in about a foot right here, and you really lose that space. So instead of having a rectangular room, you have this kind of room where you lose all the space right here. So this corner is very tight. More arc there, and then you've got a pull-out couch. You've got this cool little thing for a table. There's a refrigerator here. You got 3 more drawers. There's a hairdryer in each room. You have your television that has almost no channels. Mirror, and a very old and hard to pull open door. Open door, definitely hard to pull open. Out here, pretty much standard RC stuff. You've got 2 chairs and a table. And it is obviously nighttime. So I'm closer to the aft part of the ship, and you can't see it, but there's Cuba right off our port side. And that's about it. That's room 6268. are in the beautiful Nassau, Bahamas. Raining harder than I've been watching that Nassau cam for pretty much every day for weeks and weeks and weeks. Not once seen it raining this hard. Good morning. This is day 2 of our week of the cruise trip. We are just now in Bahamas. So we'll see how long this lasts, but make the best of it, I guess.